Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your device ready. Unlock your iPhone or Apple Watch and make sure Wallet shows the correct card, because the machine reads the active payment token. Once done, open Wallet and select the card you want. Verify any pending bank confirmation to activate the card. Make sure Express Transit or the default card is set when required. This speeds checkout and avoids extra authentication. Next, you position and authenticate. First, wake your device. Raise to wake on iPhone or double-click the side button on Apple Watch, because the reader needs the payment token active. Then hold the device flat about 1 to 2 inches from the reader, aligning the top or logo area with the contactless sensor. This ensures reliable NFC coupling. If authentication appears, complete it with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Otherwise, Express Transit will process automatically. Finally, complete the purchase and verify success. Wait for the checkmark, green light, or a beep before pulling your device away, because removing it too soon can interrupt the transaction. If payment fails, try another card in Wallet, toggle Wallet off and on, or briefly switch airplane mode to reset the radio. Make sure NFC is enabled and iOS is up to date. If problems persist, contact your bank or use a physical chip or contactless card as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.